This is how we party.
Hey, what's up guys? Dynarider here, back at you with another video. If you're new here, hope you stick around. If you're a regular, welcome back. Here on the Dynarider channel, I like to talk about motorcycle safety, how to ride a motorcycle, and road strategies to help keep you, the rider, safe. In today's Monday short, we're going to be talking about the friction zone, what it is, how to use it, and what it can do for you. When you master the friction zone, you're going to be able to start and stop your bike smoothly, and you're going to be able to execute slow speed maneuvers like U-turns, turning from a stop with confidence. So with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at what the friction zone is and what it does. Alright, so when you get on your motorcycle and you start your bike up, when you get ready to take off, you're gonna pull your clutch in, right? And you're gonna put your bike in gear. In order to transfer power from your engine to your rear wheel, you're gonna start to slowly ease that clutch out. And at the point where the engine starts to transfer from the engine to the rear wheel, that is the friction zone. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. What are some things that we can do to help master the friction zone? We can sit on our bike with it at idle, bike in gear, feet flat on the ground, and then you just slowly start to ease that clutch out. And as soon as the bike starts to roll forward, pull it back in, remove that power. Ease it out, pull it back in, remove that power. Ease it out, pull it back in, and remove the power. Once you get comfortable doing this, you can walk your bike just like so, just walking along, adding and removing power as needed. If you want to go a little bit faster, you let the clutch out a little bit further and allow more power to transfer that wheel. And eventually, look at there, feet are up. So you want to execute slow speed maneuvers? Cool, let's do it. Adding and taking away power from the friction zone. I'm not adding any throttle here, and I'm keeping a fairly tight circle here. Friction zone is awesome, guys. When you put it to use with the other principles of riding, counterweight, trail braking as you go through a slow speed maneuver, you can actually get your U-turns and your figure eights pretty tight. So what else can we use the clutch for, in the friction zone for? Well, one, we use the clutch when we shift to shift smoothly. You can also use it in the friction zone to help slow you down, like so. Downshift into first from second, or just downshifting in general, and bring that clutch out to the friction zone. And that in combination with the engine braking power, the stopping power from your front and rear brakes in tandem, is going to bring you to a complete stop that much faster. If you guys like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. You guys think of anything else that you can use the friction zone for, go ahead and drop it in the comments below. And if you're new here and you liked what you saw, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Dynarider out. Peace.
This is how we party.